Hello and welcome to the Outpost RV. My name is Jeremy and today we're going to take a look at the Wolf Pup 18RJB Black Label. Before we get started, this camper comes in at 22 feet 9 inches tongue to bumper and weighs just under 3,900 pounds empty. Up front here we have your power tongue jack with the LED light so you can see at nighttime if you're hooking up. We have your single 20-pound LP tank bottle with the hard shell cover with a quick access lid so you can reach in and turn that on and off. We have your Group 27 deep cycle marine battery. We do have the juice pack option on here, which means there's a 100-watt solar panel on the roof and the battery that comes with it. Diamond plate rock guard with your curved radius front end. With the Black Label, we have your fiberglass on the outside, the gel-coated fiberglass, your deep tinted windows, magnetic door catches, plus some other light accessories. In the front storage compartment here, we have the light inside for you. And you'll notice a large storage compartment up there. We have 4 jacks, one at each corner here, and they do have the adjustable legs as well. Right down below here, we also have this wolf head emblem. It's a holographic light, so at nighttime that will really pop for you and stand out. Nice feature that they've added on here. We have your power awning with the blue accent LED light as well. Each arm is adjustable, so if the sun's coming down, you can adjust the pitch of the awning. Your sturdy steps going in where each leg is adjustable. Your oversized grab handle, full-size door that's the tempered glass. It has a full-size screen door and an integrated window as well. We have your Black Label emblem, outside entertainment where your speakers light up blue here. Up top we also have a vent so you can get ventilation as you're traveling since it's a toy hauler. That way if you have anything with fumes on the inside. TV bracket, which is the same as the one on the inside, so you can bring your TV out here and drop it in. It is a quick, easy lube axle, and we do have a tire pressure monitoring system as well. And how that works, the side of this will turn red. So if you're low on air, you can just walk around and do a visual check before you head off for your next destination. Also, each wheel will have self-adjusting brakes as well. As we move to the back, we are pet friendly. We have your leash latch here, so the furry family members can tag along. Ramp door patio system. We do have a screen wall that you can unroll as well to help keep the bugs out, keep the air inside. It comes with a backup camera already on it, as well as the LED light up top there. With the camera, you'll use your phone, download an app, and that'll be the screen for you. We have your other vent over here for cross ventilation for the fumes. Up top, it does have a bracket for a portable ladder, so you can add that so you can get up for roof maintenance purposes. Down below, we are going to have a sewer hose holder, so you can store that underneath when not in use. We have your black tank flush, so if you're done camping for the week or weekend, you hook up a water hose here, and that'll blast out the black tank for you. Furnace vent, range vent. We have this LED light here. It is going to be right by your dump station and hook up, so if it's nighttime, you can see what's going on. We have your black handle for your black tank and gray handle for your gray tank with the dump station. This is a 30 amp unit. It comes with a 25-foot detachable power cord. We have your low pressure spray port with hot and cold water. It's got the coil hose sprayer on it. For your water connections, we have the city water on the right. So if you're at a campground or your house, you hook up the water hose, that'll pressurize the lines for you. Then we have your fresh water fill. So if you're dry camping or boondocking, you can fill up the fresh water tank, turn on your water pump and use that water. And last but not least, we have your on-demand water heater. It is on demand, so it is gas only, but you're only using gas when you're running hot water. So it's about 60% more efficient than what we've used in the past. And that concludes our outside walkthrough of the Wolf Pup 18RJB Black Label. And now we'll take a look at the inside. As we move to the inside, you'll notice they have another light shining down that says Black Label on it. Another nice feature here. As we move inside, you got the bedroom area up front. The bathroom is directly across. And let's get a nice overview of the camper here. You can see with that patio system down, really opens up the camper here. As we get started right inside here, we have your main control panel, which is Bluetooth, so you can sync your phone to it and run some of the options from your phone. Your awning light, exterior light, water pump are all there. You can run your awning in and out. And then also check your tank levels. You have a 110 outlet here. These 2 windows on the side. Right up here is going to be one of these vents for that cross ventilation. We have your entertainment area, the TV bracket, connections right up top. We have storage in the back here, which has doors on it as well, so you can utilize that while traveling. The other window in the back. We have your dinette back here, which can also, the table will fold down and lay flat to make another sleeping area. And here is a view of the patio system. Again, really just opens everything up. Lets a lot of fresh air in, natural sunlight. And then your screen wall, which will roll down for you as well. In the back corner, we have your other vent system on the sidewall. Another 110 outlet and 12-volt charge port here. In the kitchen, we have your stereo, which is AM, FM, and Bluetooth compatible. We have your voltmeter up top. Storage up here, and actually right up above on the ceiling, you'll notice we have your subwoofer and a speaker, which light up blue, and we have one other speaker on the inside as well. Underneath, extra LED lights, huge kitchen window. We have the high-rise faucet with the pull-out sprayer. Also part of the Black Label package is going to be the solid surface countertop. And as you can see, it has this huge single bowl sink here. Comes with a 2-burner stove. And we have some storage down below as well. We have your furnace underneath the 2-burner stove. And then underneath the refrigerator, we have your breakers and fuses. The red key is a 12-volt cutoff switch. That'll kill all 12-volt power to the battery when it's in storage or not in use. And your carbon monoxide detector. We have this 12-volt refrigerator, which it is 12-volt only. Very large in size, more of a residential size. As you can see, it's extremely deep, as it does not need the same ventilation as the old gas electrics would need. So the fridge itself is going to be much bigger. We have your thermostat for your furnace here. The AC controls are actually right on the air conditioner itself. And we'll take a look in the bathroom area. We have your toilet right inside. We're also going to have your on-demand water heater thermostat. So that is where you will turn the water heater on and off and adjust the temperature for it as well. We have this large vent fan in the bathroom, which is part of the Black Label package for the Wolf Pups. And also this very fancy shower head. It's got the rainfall, a handle with it as well, and the multi-sprayer option. We have a corner sink over here, integrated with the shower. And as we move up into the bedroom area, you'll notice that we have the top bunk across the queen bed. So extra sleeping up there, or storage as well. Again, with the queen bed here, comforter comes with it, and the pillows as well. We have your decorative lights up front there. We have a 12-volt charge port on the left. And over on the right-hand side is actually a 110 outlet. That is a special outlet. It does have an inverter with it. So even if you are not plugged into 110 power, you can still use that outlet. So another really cool feature that Wolf Pup has added. And that will conclude our walkthrough of the Wolf Pup 18RJB-BL. If you guys have any questions, feel free to contact myself or Henry at 866-338-9845. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.